Hello, I'm Jitin. I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at SNS College of Engineering. Robots in healthcare. We are amid what has been described as the fourth industrial revolution, where industries and sectors across the globe are being transformed using a variety of increasingly interconnected robotic applications. These have demonstrably increased productivity, resource efficiency, and customer responsiveness in, for example, the manufacturing and retail sectors. Amazon, for instance, now has a 1 lakh robot fleet designed to navigate large warehouse spaces and pick items from the shelves. This represents a 50% increase from the previous year, such that robots now constitute around one third of the workforce. There is emerging policy interest in seeing a similar transition in healthcare. This is being fueled by the drive to improve the quality and safety of care while simultaneously controlling expenditure. Developments currently taking place have begun to replace individual aspects of human performance with robotic capabilities, including precision, logistic, and mechanical tasks, and complex cognitive tasks. Ethics and permissions. This study received Institutional Review Board approval from the Centre of Population Health Sciences at the University of Edinburgh, United Kingdom. Participants gave written informed consent to participate, and transcripts were anonymized. Sampling and recruitment. Participants were sampled through Google searches using search terms relating to robotics and healthcare. We sampled purposefully for maximum variability, ensuring presentation from a range of countries and professional backgrounds. In line with the socio-technical approach, the range of perspectives was expected to give important insights into the technical and social environments of robotic applications in healthcare settings. This sampling strategy was complemented by snowball sampling additional participants. As our purpose was to develop a high-level overview, we did not specifically sample for individual users of applications in specific contexts. Overall, we identified 68 participants. Of these, 42 were contacted through publicly available email addresses. The rest were sent invitations via LinkedIn through the account of the first author. The initial email included an invitation to participate and an overview of the work. In participants expressed as interest, they were sent an information sheet and contest form. The remainder were sent a follow up email approximately 2 weeks later. After initial discussions, 5 potential participants decided not to participate, mainly due to concerns surrounding signing the contest form and the interview being auto recorded. Industry representatives were not comfortable sharing potentially sensitive commercial information. Transcribed interviews were uploaded to NVIVO10 software, which supports the management and interrogation of data and helps arrange qualitative data into meaningful and subheadings. We began the coding process as soon as interviews were transcribed to allow emerging findings to feed into future interviews. This involved sorting data into meaningful headings and subheadings for ongoing thematic analysis. We approached the analysis with an initial coding framework based on the available empirical literature surrounding socio-technical factors of technology implementation in healthcare settings. The deductive components were as follows: technological dimension, social or human dimension, organizational dimension, macro environmental dimension. This allows us to provide initial structure to our findings that remain close to the research question and socio-technical perspective underpinning it. The coding framework was informed by our previous theoretical work surrounding the evaluation of socio-technical systems. In addition, we allowed new themes to emerge based on the frequency of occurrence and perceived significance. During this process, we explored disconfirming evidence and carefully questioned our own assumptions about robotics. In doing so, we carefully compared technological features, participant backgrounds, and insights into various socio-technical aspects surrounding conceptualization, design, implementation, and adoption of technologies. Emerging themes were discussed and refined during regular meetings between the authors, saying particular intention to the intersection of technical and social factors in the line with socio-technical lens.